Hey guys, Jeff here with another Dustless Answers video. Last time we were on here, we did a test with length of hose and CFM loss and suction loss, just to see what length of hose would do to it. So we had a question on that video, so today we're going to answer that video, or that question from that video. And that question was, does adding segments of hose with couplers decrease the CFM more than just one full length of hose? So 150-foot length of hose compared to two 25-foot hoses with a coupler, or four 12.5-foot hoses with couplers. Do the couplers cause more friction loss and CFM loss? So that's what we're going to answer today. So you can see we have our vacuum ready. We got a couple of pieces of hose. We have one 50-foot piece of hose. Then we have a 25-foot piece of hose to a 25-foot piece of hose. And then we'll change it up even more and add another one. We'll have a 25-foot hose with two 12.5-foot hose to make the 50 feet. So 50 feet on all three, but one will have no couplers, one will have one coupler, one will have two couplers. So we will see if that makes a difference. Alright guys, we're here at the end of the hoses. 50 foot. We're going to do the 50-foot one section hose first and see what we come up with. Do the CFM and pressure. We're running about 85 inches of water lift. And it looks like it stabilized right around 65, 66 CFM. Now, we'll go unplug that one, plug in the two 25-foot sections. Okay, we're back out here at the end of the hoses. We now have two 25-foot sections of hose with one coupler. Let's see if it makes a difference. Let's go with the pressure test. Reads about the same, about 84 inches. CFM, we are reading right about the same on the CFM from the two 25-foot sections as compared to the 150-foot section. Maybe just a hair of a loss, but not much at all. Let's put another coupler in. Okay, now we are at the same 50 feet. We have a 25-foot section with a coupler, 12.5 with a coupler, and another 12.5 to get us to this point. Let's see if the couplers and the added length of hose makes a difference. Looks like we're sitting right about the same. May have had just a hair of a drop in the water lift, but not much at all. Let's check out Alright, on the CFM, there was just a hair of a drop in it compared to the two 25-foot sections, which had just a hair of a drop compared to the one 50-foot section. So you can see that as you add couplers and lengths of hoses, segments of hoses, instead of one long hose, you will lose a little bit of CFM, but your suction will stay pretty close to the same. Okay guys, so as you can see, every coupler, every segment of hose that you add on, you are going to lose a little bit of CFM. Your water lift's going to stay about the same, but the CFM will continue to drop just a little bit with every section and every coupler that you add on. The reason being is anything in that hose that causes turbulence in the airflow, an extra section or a coupler or anything that causes turbulence in that airflow, you're going to lose a little bit of the CFM because of that turbulence. So hope that answers your question. If you have any other questions that you would like answered, would you like us to do a video of it? We'd be happy to do that. Just put it in the comments, leave us a question, and we'll be happy to try to answer that. If you are not subscribed to our channel, guys, subscribe. We're trying to put out some great content for you on our YouTube channel and our social medias. So make sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, also our YouTube channel. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notifications of upcoming videos when they come out. So if you can't think of anything else, well, make it dustless.